And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a refractive gear text effect. Let us create some text to apply this effect to. I use the type tool, size it up, holding Shift and Control. Control D to copy it, and I apply to the copy the filter under ridges. There are two of these effects, A and B. Let me show you the B as well. So there's a little bit of a difference. What you can also do is to apply both of these filters to the same text. Now keep in mind, if you copy this one, it'll also be applied to the last one, so it's actually better to create a new text element. So I'll delete that and I create a new one with the type tool. Let me call that text 2. And now I apply under ridges the refractive gear A and afterwards the B. Another way to adjust it is to use Ctrl D, so simply layer copies on top of one another. You can also use the sharpen options under image effects, so sharpen and sharpen more. It makes the outlines more intense. Another way to adjust it is to use an apparition blur. And if you apply the sharpen effect, you can get some of that intensity back, but the outline will be blurred a little bit, so it creates interesting results as well. And this is how you can apply this refractive gear effect to text in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.